Western Australia is big, and when we travel, we love to hit the open road and discover parts of the state accessible by car as part of a road trip. And this road trip has taken us to the Pilbara region of WA and the mining town of Port Hedland, where continued road improvements up this way has made our journey safer and easier. Driving up here can be pretty daunting, especially if you're visiting. Not only will you encounter some of the longest road trains in the world, equivalent to 13 car lengths, you'll also come across the longest ore trains in the world. These average between 2.4 to 2.9 kilometres in length, with the longest ever recorded hitting a whopping 7.35 kilometres. Road trains travel into the port every day, carrying a huge amount of iron ore to the ships waiting to be loaded. While driving alongside these mammoths is a spectacle for the eyes, waiting up to 7 minutes for them to go by at a level crossing can be time-consuming and also dangerous. And that's why Main Roads has undertaken these major upgrades here in Port Hedland.
Roughly 6,000 vehicles use these crossings each day. The Hedland Road Rail Safety Improvement Program was a joint initiative between the federal and West Australian state governments and BHP, which has seen the construction of 2 road over rail bridges, realignment of Great Northern Highway, which is a key freight route, and also the construction of 2 roundabouts.
So has it all been done as one?
The project was broken into 2 phases, the first being a 34-metre road over rail bridge on Butwell Road and a 3-kilometre realignment of the road, and also the closure of Power Road and construction of 2 roundabouts. The second phase was a 5-kilometre realignment of Great Northern Highway, along with a 32-metre bridge over the Nelson Point main line and 2 access roads to the airport precinct.
The improvements will significantly increase safety for the locals and those of us just passing through, while also making our road trip more efficient. And it doesn't stop there. What other works have been undertaken in the area?
Main roads in the Pilbara region have had some key focuses, the first being road over rail bridges, the second being overtaking lanes, which are currently under construction just north of Newman, and the third being the Regional Road Safety Program, which is shoulder sealing and the installation of audible centre and edge lines. In the Pilbara you'll see something a little bit different, which is a milled audible, and that is to advise drivers when they're leaving the lane to help them recover to reduce serious crash injuries.
The rumble strip.
The rumble strip.
So are they just limited to this area?
No, this project is occurring all across the state, from the Kimberley all the way down to the Great Southern.
Main Roads is continuing to improve our regional roads as part of the Regional Road Safety Program. Thousands of kilometres of road have now been upgraded, making your next trip around our wonderful state smoother and safer.